Hi there, today I'm going to warm up mac and cheese. This is the brand I'm using today, but you can use any brand. And I have some gloves because it's gonna be hot. I'm going to use a spoon because we need one to stir up, and some water. So here's the directions, and I'm going to read to you right now. Number 1, remove lid and seasoning pouch. You will see loose white powder in the pasta. This is necessary for proper cooking. Number 2, add water to the slightly below the fill line on the inside of the cup. Stir it up. Number 3, remove uncovered on high for 3 minutes or until pasta is tender. Do not drain. You'll need the liquid to make the sauce. Number 4, stir in seasoning pouch. Mix 2 to 3 minutes for maximum cheesiness. And caution, cup and contents will be extremely hot. Okay, so here we go. Going to tear it open and look at that. There is a seasoning pouch, like I said. And here's the pasta inside. And there is a line that a line right here. You can fill the water till. So it says, number 1, remove the lid and seasoning pouch. That's what I've done. Okay, and now I'm going to put in some water from a container all the way up to the white line. Okay, so here it is, and now I'm going to, and it says, add the water to slightly below the fill line on the inside of the cup. So that's what I did. And now I'm going to stir it. And now, number 3, microwave uncovered on high for 3 minutes. So I'm going to open my microwave, put it in, and set it for 3 minutes. Okay, so I paused the video, and now I turned it back on, so I see that it is almost ready. So I'm putting on my gloves because it's going to be hot. And there it goes, the timer. Whoa, my glasses are fogging up. So you could see the steam coming up right here. Got to stir it up. And as you could, hopefully you could see that there's still some water in there. There's still some water. but we will need it to stir in the sauce. I'm putting away my gloves. Now I'm tearing up this pouch. I shake it so that the powder, it goes to the bottom. And then I tear up the pouch. And look at this orange powder. So I'm going to pour it in. I like to make sure it's there. Everything is in here. And so now I'm going to stir it. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video for a little bit because I'm going to try and stir it for 3 minutes. Before I do that, I want to show you what it looks like for now with lots of liquid, lots of water there. Okay, gotta pause. Okay, meanwhile, I'm going to throw away the trash that I have right here from the pouch. I'm going to leave it here and let it sit so that, here. I'm going to let it sit for a little bit so it cools down and I can eat it safely without burning my mouth. And now I'm going to throw this away in the trash. Okay, so it's cooled down enough, so I'm going to take a bite. But I'm going to also blow on it because it's still hot. Okay, there you have it. See you next time.